Imagine entering a space where you can't see danger. You can't smell it. You can't hear it. But within seconds, you stop breathing. This is called a confined space. And it has killed thousands of workers. A confined space is not just a small space. It can be a tank, a pipeline, a sewer, a storage vessel. But what makes it dangerous? Limited entry, poor ventilation, and deadly atmosphere. Most people think danger means fire or explosion. But the real danger is invisible. Like oxygen deficiency. If oxygen drops below safe level, you won't feel it. You'll just collapse. Secondly, toxic gases. Gases like hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide. They attack your body instantly. Additionally, flammable atmosphere. One spark, and the entire space becomes a bomb. Let me tell you something shocking. One worker entered a tank without gas testing. He collapsed. Another worker saw him and rushed to save him. He also collapsed. Then a third person. Same result. 3 people dead, trying to save each other. To enter a confined space safely, you must follow strict rules. Number 1, gas testing. Always test atmosphere before entry. Number 2, ventilation. Fresh air must be supplied continuously. Number 3, permit to work. Never enter without authorized permit. Number 4, standby person. One trained person must stay outside. Number 5, PPE and rescue plan. Use proper equipment and emergency plan. Most confined space deaths happen not because of lack of knowledge, but because of ignoring rules. People think, just 5 minutes, nothing will happen. So next time, when you see a confined space, don't see it as a job. See it as a life risk. Because in confined spaces, you don't get a second chance.